Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ehsan, and in today's video we're going to solve another math problem. If you had this system of equations, x squared plus y squared equals to 7 and x cubed plus y cubed equals to 10, what is the all possible options for x plus y? This is our answer. This is our question, sorry. And if you're new here, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and also the notification bell, so whenever I upload a new video you'll be aware of it. Let's jump to it. This is our problem that we're going to solve, and first of all I'm going to start with this system of equations and try to identify x plus y terms in terms of these equations. So we can rewrite x squared plus y squared in terms of x plus y as x plus y all to the power of 2 minus 2 times x times y, which is equal to 7. Okay, here is our first equation. And how about the second ones? Of course, we can write x cubed plus y cubed as x plus y all to the power of 3 minus 3 times xy times x plus y, which is equal to 10. Okay, now if you look at these equations carefully, you can see you have x plus y, which is the terms that you're looking for it, but you also have x plus y in this system of equations that you have to somehow delete this or replace it with some known values. So I'm going to use this first equation and calculate xy from this one and then substitute it into the second equation. So let's call this our first equation and this is our second equation. Okay, now from the first equation we can rewrite xy as, I'm gonna somehow move it to the right hand side, so the sign is going to be changed, and move 7 to the left hand side. So the final answer would be x plus y all to the power of 2 minus 7 divided by 2. This is for xy. Now I'm going to substitute this xy into the second system. Substitute this in here. I mean that instead of this xy in here, I'm going to write this equation to have our second equation just having x plus y, which is the terms that I'm looking for it. So rewriting the second equation, here we have x plus y cubed minus 3 times xy, which I'm going to replace it with this expression in here. So here x plus y to the power of 2 minus 7 divided by 2. Now x plus y following this equation equals to 10. Now if you look at this carefully, you can see just the term x plus y, and just for the sake of simplicity I can define x plus y by a new term, for example t. Now I replace t whenever I see x plus y in this equation, just for the sake of simplicity. So here we have t cubed minus 3 times t squared minus 7 divided by 2 times t equals to 10. Now I can simplify this. Here we have t cubed minus 3 divided by 2 t squared, negative 3 times negative 7, which is plus 21 divided by 2 times t. And I made a mistake here. when I multiply this one by this one, I forgot this one. Be careful with that. So here t cubed equals to 10. Now, just for the sake of, again, simplicity, we can multiply this equation by 2. All of the expressions by 2. So here we have 2t cubed minus 3t cubed plus 21 times t equals to 20. Don't forget the 2. Okay? Now I can reorganize it. 2t cubed minus 3t cubed, which is minus t cubed, plus 21t minus 20 equals to 0. I just move 20 to the left hand side, which its sign is negative now. Now I can just, for the sake of simplicity, again multiply this by -1. So we have our system, our equation, our final equation, minus 21t plus 20, which is equal to 0. I just multiply this equation by -1. So this is our final equation, which is just have one variable, which is t. Now I had to solve this problem, and t represents x plus y, the things that we're looking for at the first place. Okay? So here we have t cubed minus 21t plus 20, which is equal to 0. If you look at this equation, and we know that t represents x plus y. If you look at this equation, you can see that if I replace t with 1, the answer is obvious. 1 minus 21 plus 20, which is equal to 0. So t equals to 1 is one of the roots of this equation. And this equation had 3 possible options for t. This is one of them. What are the others 2? In order to calculate this, we can use this division. T cubed minus 21 times t plus 20. You can divide this by this, just move 1 to the left hand side, which is t minus 1. It is absolutely, its residue of this division is 0, because 1 is one of the roots of this equation. So I had to calculate this. I'm going to multiply this t by t squared, which is t cubed minus t squared, and then change the sign, which is to plus minus. These are two eliminated. Now we have t squared minus 21t plus 20. So for the second option, t squared divided by t, which is t. So here we have t squared minus t. Now change the sign, plus minus. These are eliminated. I'm going to use summation. Minus 21 plus 1t, which is minus 20t plus 20. Now negative 20 times t divided by t, which is minus 20. So negative 20 times t plus 20. And as you can see, if you change the sign, you have left with 0 as residue. So this is our new equation. And I can rewrite t cubed minus 21 times t plus 20 as t minus 1 times this equation in here, which is t squared plus t minus 20. So how can I solve this? Here we have t squared plus t minus 20. I can rewrite it as t. And what are the two numbers that their multiplication is 20 and its difference is plus 1? 5 and 4. 5 times 4 is 20, and their signs are different because here we have negative. And which one is the greater? because it is plus, it says plus in here, so 5 is plus and 4 is minus. Okay, now here are all the possible options for x plus y. We can somehow rearrange this equation, t squared minus 21t plus 20, and rewrite it as t minus 1 times t plus 5 times t minus 4. So all the possible options for t, which is x plus y, are 1 for this root in here, -5 and 4. Here these are all the options, or the possible options for x plus y in these two systems of equations. And we're not looking for real roots or imaginary roots, we're looking for all the possible options in this question. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful. I try to use some of the linear algebra from your high school. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. See you on the next video. Thanks for watching.